The Titan Powrliner 850 is by far the most popular line striping machine that we sell at asphaltkingdom.com, designed for property owners and managers looking to stripe their own parking lots, or contractors that may be starting out in the line striping business. It features a detachable gun, unlike the 550 unit, which has a locked gun. When you have a detachable gun, you'll have no problem spraying stencils, curbs, etc. You can also add on the front wheel caster assembly sold at Asphalt Kingdom, an accessory exclusive to the Powrliner 850, allowing for unlocking and easy maneuverability of the front wheel. It also has the same engine as the Powrliner 550. It's a 1.6 horsepower engine. You'll be able to adjust your pressure of your pump from 100 pounds per square inch to 3,000 psi. No flat tires either, because it has specially formulated poly tires for smooth rides and durability. It has a reversible gun mount too. Stripe off either front or rear tire for striping curves and circles. It ships with both the LX40 spray gun and the 1708 SC-6 Reversible striping tip. It includes 50 feet of quarter-inch anti-static spray hose. It also includes a 2-year comprehensive warranty, so you're sure to be covered. Only compatible with water-based paint, same as the 550. Give us a call, 866-399-5562. We'd love to speak to you about the Powrliner 850 today. Like, comment, and subscribe below.